Hi, welcome to Ask She's Wired. Today's question comes from John in Chastain Park. He's new to PCs and he wanted to know how to open up two windows at the same time so he could drag and drop his documents from one folder to another. Well, John, here's how to do that. On your computer at the bottom, you'll see the taskbar area. On mine, I've got Edge, Chrome, a file folder, and a few of my Microsoft Office applications. What I need you to do is find your taskbar. It could be on the bottom like mine, it might be on the left hand or right hand side, and it also could be on the top. And what we want to do is click on the file folder icon one time. That'll open a window and that will allow you to see several areas of your computer. What we want to do is go up to the top area, and there's a white bar that we want to put our cursor on, and clicking anywhere along that white bar with your mouse, you're going to click, you're going to hold your mouse down, and you're going to drag the window to the left. I like to work left to right, so I'm going to position this to the left. And you'll see it gives you lots of room on the right. We're going to then open up a second window using Recycle Bin. So double click on that because that'll be on your desktop somewhere. It opens up a second window and it too has a white bar across the top. We want to click anywhere along that bar and move the window to the right side. And you can see they fit nicely side by side. We're very lucky here. But if you need to move any of these windows to make them smaller, look how I move my cursor to the right. When I hit the edge, it turns into a double arrow. When you see that, click on the line and drag the window to make it smaller and bigger. You can see I can just make it as small or as big as I want. I can do that on the bottom. Wait for the cursor to change to a double arrow, click, hold, drag your mouse, and the window will get smaller and bigger if you need to. Once you have that figured out, working from left to right, we're going to take some items that are on my desktop, because a lot of times what we're trying to do is we want to clear up things on our desktop. So I've clicked here and you can see I have several images on my desktop, and if you also look behind this window here, you'll see those images cluttering up the desktop right now. And we're going to do what we're going to do is we're going to move them to the documents, or excuse me, the pictures folder on the right side. So we've made that selection on the right. We want to click on one of the image files on the left, hold your shift, click on the last one. It will grab all of them at once. We're going to click on any of these image files. It does not matter which one. You're going to click, hold your mouse down, and start dragging to the other window. Keep that mouse held down. Anywhere in the white area on the right side, you can let go of that group of images. So let go. And they will move. You saw they're no longer on the left. They are now moved to the right. You can see my desktop's cleaned up, and they're now in the pictures folder. So when you're done, close the window by clicking on the X in the upper right corner of each window. You can see my desktop is clean and you're all set. Thanks for your question, John. Do you have a question? Send an email to wecanhelp@sheswired.com. If we use your question in an Ask She's Wired segment, we're going to send you some She's Wired swag. Thanks for joining us today. Take care.